welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am sorry that this video is late getting up, but I had to wait until closer to church time to be able to do this because this is a birthday gift for my oldest granddaughter, Lena, and she watches my channel. So I wanted to make sure that she didn't see it before I gifted it to her tonight. So I just want to show it to you real quick. It does have the removable tassel, and I've just put all kinds of little jewels and beads, and I've got charms. She likes to sing, so there's a microphone. She's learning to play the piano, so there's a baby grand piano on it. The front, this is a Mermaid paper pack that I had got from Hobby Lobby. It's the Paper Studio, and so I used the entire thing in here. That's where the letters came from, the little gems. So you can see, and I've got the gold edging ribbon on the front and the back. And then this is seam binding, and I just done 3 links of it, and it is glued down behind here. So when she opens the journal, she doesn't have to worry about trying to keep up with her closure. It's going to be there. I made sure I put the corner protectors on the front and back cover. And let's just get into it. So in the front, on the front and the back cover, it's got this beautiful gold. I didn't do anything to it. I thought it was just too pretty. You see it says, I'd rather be a mermaid. It's got some lace trim. I got some butterfly stickers there. There's a piece of that paper, and I've just stuck some little journal cards all throughout the book. She loves to draw, she loves to write, so that's why this book is great for. This is some purple glitter dyed paper. This is a sheet of the paper that was in the pack with a little sticker. This is one of the embellishments that was in there, and I just glued it down on one side so that I made it into a little tuck. And that's on some pink dyed paper. Then we've got another little sticker there. And then this is just an envelope that I've glued in. And then inside the envelope, I've just done like a little journal card type thing. This is a piece of the pink dyed paper. And then a little journal card that says hello. This is some of the Mermaid paper. This was one of the little embellishments that came with the pack, so I just glued the top area down, and then I've got a Project Life card that I just tucked under there. This was another one of the little embellishments that came with it. It says Mermaid at Heart, and again I just glued a part of it down, and then I stuck a Project Life card down in up under it. This is another piece of like the leftover cardstock, and then I put an envelope on it. And then I've just filled it with a bunch of little stickers. Then on this side, I left it at the 12 inches and just folded it over so it's got a little pocket. This is a Project Life card. This was a piece that was left over from the paper pack, and I just made it into like a little journal card. And then this is just a little envelope, and I have filled it with all sorts of stickers for her. And then just tucked it all right in there. This is a piece of the pink dyed paper. This is a cut apart or cut off from the cover, and so I just folded it over, made it into like a little card, and then I just stuck it there with a little bitty paper clip. I love that little mermaid sticker tail thing there. This was another one of the embellishments. Again, I just glued down the bottom 2 parts of the star, and then I just stuck a couple of Project Life cards behind it, so I made it into a tuck spot. That was one of the stickers. This is some of the purple dyed paper. And this is some blue dyed paper. And then we're getting to the middle signature, and it had, or the middle of this signature, and it says Mermaid Dreams. I did leave the strings long, and so in the first signature, it's got 2 little charms. And then I just stuck some like little paper in there, like journal paper. And so there's a couple more sheets of that journal paper right here. It's got a sticker there. This was some that was left over from the signatures. I just made it into a folding tag. Then I've got this little envelope here, and again, I just filled it out with stickers for her. Let me get that closed down and not kill all of her stickers. It's a bunch of stickers in there because she loves stuff like that. So, and then right here you see I took one of those envelopes and I glued the flap over there. And then in this envelope, I've just got a couple sheets of writing paper. This was another one of the embellishments that was in the pack. And again, I just glued it down on like two sides and then stuck a project life card in it. And then, well, maybe. You can see that blue. I hope it's showing up on screen. And then this is just some blank papers for them. My alarm's gone off telling me it's time for church. And then this was one of the offcuts, and I just left it at the 12 inches. I folded it over so it's got an 1.5 inch pocket. This is a project life card that I stuck in there. And this was another piece that was left over from the page, and I just stuck a little sticker on it and made it into like a little card. And then just stuck it in there like that. And so you can see she's got lots of room to be able to journal or draw, you know, whatever it is she wants to do. And then this is, I left that at the 12 inches and made it into a little tuck as well. And I just stuck a couple sheets of like writing paper in there. This is a little envelope, I don't know, I picked it up at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. And so I just took a couple of little sheets of the writing paper and stuck down in it. Another one of the embellishments that I just glued on the side there, made it into a tuck and stuck her a project life card in it. And it's so pretty. I love this little journal. And then this was this huge, let me see if I can find, I don't know where it is. I was going to see if I can find one of the ones that I didn't put down. It was this huge mermaid, like huge. You'll see it in a minute. So what I done is I folded it over and I made this into a belly band. And then the tail part, it's little pockets. How cute is that? And then now we are on to the second signature. And again, I've got the little tuck in here, so I've just done a few sheets of writing paper. And you'll see that it's got lace throughout. This is a little vellum like journal card with one of those little bitty tiny paper clips. And so I just used all of the offcuts, I didn't want to waste any of it. And then this, I glued, this is an envelope, and I'll show you how I have it done on the other side. And then I've just got a couple of sheets of like the little writing paper stuck down in there, or stuck up in there, I don't know. And then over here, I only glued it right here, so these are actually tuck spots. And so these were just a couple of pieces of the leftovers, and I just made them into little tags. Again, you can see I've just got some stickers throughout. These were some more of the offcuts from the cover that I just made them into little journal cards. This is another little journal card that I've just gotten there with one of those little bitty paper clips. Another one of those embellishments from the pack. And again, I've just got two little project life cards stuck down in there. There's one of the stickers that was in the kit. This is another one of the embellishments that was in the kit. I only glued it down on that side, so it made a little tuck. And I just tucked a couple sheets of the writing paper in it. This is another one of those little envelopes, and I just took some of the paper, folded it over, made it into a little card, and added one of the stickers from the kit. And then here's the middle of this signature, and I just added a couple of beads onto it. In this pocket, it's just got some of the like journal paper or, writing paper for. Here's another envelope and more stickers. And then there's more of that writing paper. This was some of the leftover cardstock, and I just folded it, made it into a little journal card. Another one of the embellishments. Again, I only glued it on the bottom there and then stuck 2 of the Project Life cards in it. Here's another one there. And again, I just took some cardstock, folded it over, put one of the stickers from the kit on it, made a little card, and tucked it right in there. This was another one of those, and I let this one where it's like back thin hang out over the page, so it made like a tag or tab, and then I just stuck a Project Life card underneath it, so I made it into a tuck. Then this is just some writing paper that I've got with one of those little bitty paper clips. This envelope I glued in to where it is a pocket in the back, and I've got 2 pieces of the cardstock that I've folded over. I've made it into little journal cards. I stuck a sticker on each one of them from the paper pack, and then inside the envelope it's just got some writing paper. So cute, so cute. And then here's just another sheet of writing paper that's paper clipped to this little page here. There's one of the stickers out of the pack. And then here, this is an envelope that I've got over here, and again, I glued it right here. So I have a little tuck right here, and I have a little tuck right here. And I've just got some little writing paper in there. And then this is the envelope. I've just got a sticker stuck on the front of it there. And then inside of it, I've just got some writing paper for. And I got a little journal card tucked right there. This was another one of those offcuts that I had folded over, made into a little pocket, and just took another offcut and made like a little journal card. Another one of the starfish that I just glued down these 2 pieces of it, and then stuck a couple of little journal cards in there. Another one of those little envelopes or sacks or whatever you want to call them, and I've got some more writing paper in there. This is some more writing paper that I've just got down with a paper clip, and then I just left the back alone as well. So that is it, guys. Tell me what you think. I hope she loves it. I will be giving it to her tonight. I'm super excited to give it to her. She is my oldest granddaughter. So I know she's going to love it, but I can't wait to see her face when she realizes that I made it for her. So, but yeah, she watches my channel. So make sure y'all tell Lena happy birthday down in the comments below. She is my sweet little baby, and she is an amazing artist. She's learning to play the piano. I am very proud of her. So y'all make sure that you tell Lena hello and happy birthday. Yesterday was her birthday, but y'all are seeing this today because of me wanting this to be a surprise. So, all right, guys, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.